My time in Kuala Lumpur has come to a weird start. I can't even find my hotel. I don't like the vibes.
I was so warmly welcomed by the immigration that they almost denied my entry.
Why are people here just standing and staring at me? I'm being followed as well.
Left my doubts at home tonight. Me confidence can't come and take a bite. My skin, my hair, they shine so bright. Tonight's the night, it feels so right.
Hello from Kuala Lumpur. Another country unlocked. This is the third country I'm visiting in this long exploration of Southeast Asia. And I plan to stay here for a month. Just landed from Vientiane and let's get going because I'm super excited to explore this country.
I was so warmly welcomed by the immigration that they almost denied my entry. The immigration officer who was looking at my documents was not convinced that I am a genuine tourist, even though I have been traveling for the past few months. I have a huge travel history. He asked for my hotel reservations, flight tickets, which I provided to him, and still he asked me questions for about 20 to 30 minutes. He kind of had an issue with the fact that I did not have anyone traveling with me, that I was a female solo traveler coming from India. At the end, I told him that I live in Canada, so that's when he got interested and asked for my Canadian documents. So I showed him my PR card, and he was like, okay, if you don't want any immigration officer to ask you that many questions, just show your PR card and you won't be asked any questions at all. This was my first time being questioned like that, and I know he was doing his job. I don't know what it was, but if you're going to Malaysia, just be prepared and have all your documents ready. But at the end, I got in.
My time in Kuala Lumpur has come to a weird start. I can't even find my hotel. Grab driver is looking for it. He's such a nice guy. He's like looking for the entrance of the hotel. Did you find something?
Level 5.
Okay. He has been such a gem. Thank you.
Okay.
We finally found it. Thank you so much. See you. He has been so nice. I'm checking in today. Akanksha, do you need my passport?
Yeah.
Okay. So I finally reached, and I really have to show you this room. This right here is a premium private pod. So this is just my space. Kept my bag here. They gave this and slippers. This is one of those nice hostels you stay in. I like that. I like this place. I have lots to do today, but I do want to get at the pool because it looks so inviting. So that's what I'm doing first thing right now. You know, after spending so many days in Laos and exploring the jungles, the village life, the slow life, this feels like luxury. And the first thing I need to do today is get a SIM card because I haven't got one and I need internet. I think you can get one from 7-Eleven. That's what the person at the reception told me. So I'm just here to find out if there is any. Let's see. And I'm super hungry. I've got data and signals now. And it's unlimited data. If you are staying for a shorter time, it's cheaper. But because I'm staying for almost a month, I got like the most expensive one with unlimited data. So it was ringgit. That's a lot of money, but it's fine. There's so many people here. And basically, this is the building my hotel is in. So just like inside there. And this is Bukit Bintang. Perfect location. I mean, you just walk to every place. After coming from Laos, this looks like such an intense place. I mean, all of Laos was so quiet and this is like so busy. I can feel that I'm in a big city and Kuala Lumpur is looking like it's gonna be sick, okay? We're gonna do so much stuff in these 4 days. There's so much going on in here, my mind cannot process it. I just got, I think, a recollection of Shibuya in Tokyo. It's just like this, but busier and more organized. Oh my god. Okay, I'm standing in here. So there's a big queue to have something which is, I have no idea what is this. It's called Chinese beef roti and there are like lots of people just waiting here in the queue. The name of this restaurant is Sichuan Rasa, and they are pretty famous here apparently because I saw really good reviews. They make it all in the open, that's the last part, and looks extremely unhealthy. Totally deep fried and dough. I have been eating so much unhealthy food. I have to keep a check from now on. And well, that is how it's made. Oh my god, there's so much oil.
Do you have small change?
No, I don't have any change. This is the only pizza. Card, credit. Thank you. It's super hot and it looks pretty heavy. Hang on. The spice level in this is so perfect, and I was missing this kind of food. I love Thai and Lao food, but this is something else. This hits the right spot. Yum. And this is Jalan Alor food street, the walking street where you get all the street food. And Jalan Alor street is where you get a lot of Malaysian street food, including like street food from around the world. I can see some Korean hot dogs, street food you get in Chinatown and Thailand, including durian, lots of Chinese food, seafood. There's lots here. Thank you. Okay, we are having sugarcane juice. It's super sweet, but I don't know if the sweet is from sugarcane or from like added sugar. Is this spicy?
Spicy mango.
How much?
5 ringgit.
It's going to be a real struggle to eat this because I have cup in my hand and my cameras. Oh, it's spicy. They mixed it for me. Look, there's pineapple. I don't know what this is. This one is not good. My mouth is on fire. That is not a good thing to eat. Don't try it. I'm literally throwing it away because I can't eat that. It's super spicy. There's something that I don't know and I don't understand, that there is lack of dustbins in here in Kuala Lumpur as well. I mean, I saw this in Thailand, I saw this in Laos, and I'm seeing this in here as well. I mean, I need to throw this, but I've been carrying this around ever since. And I don't know what's the scene here, but I kind of don't like the vibes. I mean, people are looking at me in a weird sense, and I'm getting some sleazy looks, which I don't like and I'm not comfortable with. So, like, you know, like some people look at you, but then there are some looks that make you uncomfortable. I'm getting those uncomfortable looks. I just like got kind of eve teased. It's so weird. It is so fucking weird. Okay, calm down, calm down. Why are people here just standing and staring at me? I mean, it's so weird. It is so weird. This is not the best start to my day. As a female solo traveler, I do not feel safe here because, I mean, I'm being followed as well. I mean, look at this guy. Look at him. This guy, he is like literally following me. So I don't understand what the hell is happening. Girls, if you're coming here alone, please be safe. Look at him. Right here. What an asshole. In your head. Zombie, in your head. So one last thing before we finish today's interesting day. We're going to visit the Petronas Towers and see it in like at night time because it's apparently really nice, and she is taking me there. Hi. Y'all, this is incredible. This place at night looks just incredible.